My little dolly has got a boo-boo as she fell off the slide. Oh, little dolly, I am so sorry for you feel hurt and sad. Oh no, she feels hurt and sad. Let's rub her head and put her to bed. I hope she will be fine. Yay, yay, yay.